Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw issues from GitHub Projects and sync with Jira. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your GitHub account and navigate to the repository where your project is located. Locate the Projects tab within the repository. Open the specific project containing the issues you want to withdraw. Click on the issue you wish to withdraw for further processing. In the issue view, identify the comments section on the right side of the issue. Click the Edit button to modify the issue's details. Remove any relevant project labels tied to the GitHub project you are withdrawing from. This ensures the issue is no longer associated with that project. Next, navigate to your Jira instance in a separate tab. Log into your Jira account and access the board linked to the project you are syncing. Create a corresponding issue in Jira for the withdrawn GitHub issue. Include all pertinent details from the GitHub issue to maintain consistency. Now, return to the previous tab where your GitHub issue is located. Copy any relevant links or comments you want to keep for your records. In Jira, paste these details into the created Jira issue for comprehensive tracking. Once this is done, update the Jira issue's status to reflect its current progress. Back in GitHub, consider adding a comment in the GitHub issue. Inform collaborators that the issue has been migrated to Jira for ongoing work. If you had multiple issues to withdraw, repeat these steps for each one. Once all issues are successfully created in Jira, it's time to sync your GitHub and Jira accounts. Navigate to the settings in your Jira board. Search for GitHub in the integration options. Follow the prompts to connect your GitHub account to Jira. After establishing the connection, you may need to choose which repositories to sync. Confirm your selections and allow Jira to access your GitHub data accordingly. To ensure continuous updates, schedule regular sync intervals as per your team's needs. Finally, communicate the new workflow to your team for clarity moving forward. You have now completed the process of withdrawing issues from GitHub projects and syncing them with Jira. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.